Yes, people, what's going on? Matthew GS UK here. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to automatically set your stop loss to break even. This is a really good thing to do when you are away from the charts and you say forget to put your stop loss to break even. Plus, it's just a good habit to do. So every time you are in the trades, it's just a new habit that is formed, and it's just part of your system that whenever you place a trade, you know for definite that if the trade goes in your direction, the number of pips that you want it to go to, that it's just all going to be automated. So let me show you how to do this. This is something that I'm going to be doing a lot more moving forward. Currently, I can't see this on the cTrader app. So we are in the cTrader desktop version at the moment. I am in my practice labs at the moment to show you this demonstration only for setting up the stop loss automated protection, and I will show you it in a real live trading account scenario that actually played out beautifully. So what we first need to do is get into a trade. So for example, we're just going to short the market here, and then we have to double click into the actual trade, and then this is where you get the modify your position. At the top here, you've got something called advanced protection. So if we go into here, on the right hand side, we've got advanced stop loss. So if we tick this box here, and then I set this up on my live account, but you can set this to whatever you want. I'm on the 4-hour time frame, so my pips is going to be slightly bigger. If you're on the smaller time frames, obviously you're going to have this a lot less. So you have a play with it, but currently I think it's a good practice on the 4-hour time frame to have this at 500 pips. So trigger when gaining 500 pips, and then just click apply. We don't have to click protect here. Obviously you will need to put your stop loss in as well, and your take profit if you want a take profit to be hit. So that is now set. So when the market moves 500 pips in your direction, so as you can see down here, we're currently minus 23 pips. So when this is plus 500 pips, automatically your stop loss that is set, say your stop loss is there, your stop loss will automatically be moved to break even once the market is moved 500 pips in your direction, and it will look something like pretty much right close to your stop loss. So it will be on your stop loss. I can't really do that at the moment because I've only just pretty much got in this trade. So let me show you now on my live account for a trade that I caught, and this playing out exactly how it should. Okay guys, so this is a video that I recorded earlier from a live trade that I took on Bitcoin. The reason for this trade, as per the 51362 EMA strategy that is on my channel, posted weekly, price is below the 62 EMA. Price has come up, it's tapped into, or should I say crossed through, whatever you want to call it, the 13 EMA. I believe as well, by looking at it, yep, it's actually tapped the 62 EMA as well. So we've got two confirmations to go in for a short, which I done, and then I've set the automated stop loss to break even set for 500 pips. So when the market moves 500 pips in my direction, the stop loss will automatically be moved to break even. So I'm just going to speed up the video now to show you this play out. Okay, we are coming up to the point now. If you just look at this stop loss, so just look up here at the stop loss. Bang. Can you see that? See, I didn't even touch that at all. I let the system do that all automatically for me. So this is a really good thing to have in your trading. I highly recommend having your stop loss going to break even on every single trade that you take, and then you won't ever have to worry about doing that again. And yeah, it's really powerful thing to have. Any way you can automate your trading, I am all for it, and you should be too. This is MetaTrader here, and this is a beautiful trade actually. Still running in a lot of profits. I think we're currently 1,000 pips up. So I hope this video is helpful to you. See you in the next one.